Hello and welcome back to CYPD's weekly job bulletin. This week we bring you business analyst opportunities across capital markets, BFSI, IT and finance domains, covering multiple locations and experience levels. Let's get started. TCS in Bangalore is hiring for senior business analysts with 10 plus years of experience in capital markets and trading systems, requiring strong stakeholder management and communication, along with requirement documentation and trading lifecycle knowledge. In Delhi, Feast Tech Pioneer is looking for professionals with 2 to 6 years of IT experience, focusing on stakeholder coordination and collaboration, along with BRD, FRD, user stories, and agile tools like Jira and Confluence. NetConnect Global in Mumbai is hiring for professionals with 1 to 2 years of IT experience, requiring strong communication and analytical thinking, along with BRD, FRD documentation, UAT support, and basic SQL knowledge. Here's another one from TCS, hiring across Mumbai and Bangalore for 5 plus years of experience in BFSI, requiring strong stakeholder management and problem solving, along with BRD creation, process modeling, and agile tools like Jira. Macronix is hiring across Pune, Bangalore, and Gurgaon with 7 plus years of IT experience, focusing on stakeholder communication and coordination, along with user stories and Pega-based solution design. In Pune, Synergy is looking for professionals with 3 plus years of experience in e-commerce and marketplace analytics, requiring analytical thinking and stakeholder collaboration, along with SQL, Power BI, and dashboard creation. Surement Solutions is hiring across Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, and Gurgaon for 5 years of experience in finance and ERP transformation, requiring strong collaboration and communication, along with Oracle Fusion Financials and data migration. Fusion Eval.ai in Mumbai is hiring professionals with 5 to 6 years in BFSI and asset management, requiring stakeholder management and communication, along with BRD, FRD, Jira, and Power BI. Thoughtwave Software and Solution in Pune is hiring for 5 to 10 years of experience in BFSI, focusing on analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, along with Oracle FlexCube, data mapping, and SQL. Sys Technosoft is hiring for hybrid roles across Bangalore and Chennai for professionals with 8 plus years in BFSI, requiring stakeholder coordination and analytical skills, along with Temenos T24 and UAT support. That's all for this week. To know more, comment below and register with CYPD. Additional opportunities are highlighted at the end. Thank you for watching and we will see you next week.